This is the last part of the transformation. This has been in my hair too long, so it's like, it's time. Hey, this is what y'all been waiting for. So let's get straight into it.
All out of streets, all out of streets, all out of beats. Don't get lost in my mix. I put folks in my mix.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Next. Welcome back to another video. Hey man, say man, look, alright, so look, today man, it's a hair transformation video. So look, this is what we're gonna do, right? So this gonna be a whole hair transformation. It's not gonna be like no regular haircut. I promise you, stick to the end of the vlog. I don't know if this is going up on my first or second channel, but either one, bro, my first or second channel is in the link in the description. So make sure you go check that out. Follow all my social medias in the link in the description. And yeah, man, let's get straight into it, man. If y'all enjoy this video, y'all enjoy this vlog, make sure you hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. We about to get straight into it, but we actually running a little late, no cap. I don't know why y'all always like making me run late this stuff. What the? It was a baby squirrel. Hey, bro. I really think it's about to start being that time, bro, where it started to get like a little chilly, you did what I'm saying? So I really gotta hit up my barber right now. I'm about to go to the hair spot right now. I'll start back vlogging when we get there.
Yeah, young nigga keep it steno. Yeah, I just love me a steno.
You know what I'm saying? Look, I know we rough. That's why it's called a transformation video. Stop judging. Nah, y'all, no cap, though, my goddamn head hurt, nigga. I'm ready to get this haircut. I'm ready to go back home, like, take like a 30-minute nap, nigga, and I'll be strong. If y'all haven't already, pause the video, bro. Pause the video, go down right now. Smash that like button for me right now. This is gonna be one of the best transformation videos you've ever seen. Like, this ain't just a haircut video, man. This is a whole transformation. Like, I'm transforming my whole head, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all stay tuned and let's get straight into it. Like I said, this is only half of the video. You know what I'm saying? Getting a haircut is only half of the video. So let's go get a haircut. Part one down, you know what I'm saying? Got the fresh line up, you feel me? I ain't even checked it out myself. We got the cut, we gotta go home, we gotta do part two, man. So I can't talk. I'ma surprise y'all with the transformation, alright? This is gonna be a whole transformation. I appreciate y'all for sticking through the video. If you haven't already, one more time, man, hit that like button for me down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, man. Let's go, bro. Let's go home and let's finish up this video. Alright, y'all, look, so I was gonna lie to y'all and be like, we just got back to the crib. Nah, bro, look, so I went to sleep and everything, right? And yeah, it's the next morning. I just put on the shirt. I was gonna cap, but the shirt say no cap, so I can't even cap. This is the last part of the transformation, and this has been in my hair too long, so it's like, it's time. You understand what I'm saying? So, hey, this is what y'all been waiting for. So let's get straight into it. Gotta cut this out of my hair, bro. I got to cut these out of my hair, bro. No cap. It's getting annoying. So I gotta even cut the rubber band just to get them off. Really time. God damn. Ooh. And if y'all haven't known already, bro, like I had my dreads for 2 years already, and oh, shit, these bitches hurt. Like, this shit hurt. But I had my dreads in for like 2 years already, right? And like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you go watch my my 2-strand twister done. And that's not really the main reason. The main reason really taking my 2-strand twist out, because I want to do more tutorials on the 2-strand twist, and maybe even try to do my own 2-strand twist one day. I really don't feel like doing that shit, like, you know what I'm saying? But I want to try to do that shit one day. You feel me? And yeah, man, that's the real, and it's more content for y'all. So that's the whole reason I am taking out my 2-strand twist. That's the main reason. You know what I'm saying? Another reason is, shit, I had these in for like 2 months. You get what I'm saying? So it's time to see my hair. Like, I haven't seen my hair since my retwist. Before my retwist, like, I haven't seen like the growth of my hair or nothing. So that's really like one of the main reasons. That's another reason why I'm taking these jokers out. Another reason is the rubber bands keep popping off. You feel me? But I said all this stuff in my my 2-strand twist video. My 2-strand twist are done video, so make sure you go check that video out for more information. Like I said before though, for the tutorial on the 2-strand twist that's in my head currently, I videotaped it. You know what I'm saying? Currently it's at like 8.6 thousand views right now. So make sure y'all go check that out. I will actually have it link in the description or on the screen right now. But definitely link in the description for y'all to go check that out. Also, I do have a second channel where I'll be posting vlogs, pranks, challenges, all that type of stuff, man. A lot of people tell me to post my challenges and stuff like that on this channel, but I feel like I know what I'm doing. I feel like I'm keeping this channel like very niche based. Like, I don't want to hop around. Like, I feel like that's how your views get messed up, is when you hop around. That's how you lose people, because people don't really know, like, are you doing hair or like what are you doing? You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna stick to hair for right now. I'm gonna stick to hair like on this channel for right now. You feel me? Maybe I'll come up with some God damn, I just pulled out a lot of hair. Yo, if you're watching this transformation video and you like haven't hit that subscribe button, if you haven't hit that like button for me down below, what are you doing? Like, if you haven't subscribed to my second channel, what are you doing? You get what I'm saying? Like, make sure you hit the like on the like button. Like, I'm doing this specifically for y'all. Like, I could have kept these 2-strand twists in for like I'll say a whole nother month, no cap. So I'm really doing this shit for y'all. So make sure you hit that like button. Also, follow me on Instagram too, bro. My Instagram, like, on the screen, and also it's down below as well. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram. Hey man, this is a long ass process, no cap. Alright, so I low-key been doing this shit for like 20 minutes already. It ain't as long as doing your 2-strand twist. So hell nah, 2-strand twist, that bitch gonna take like, for yourself to do it, that shit fucking gonna take an hour and a half. Somebody else to do it, that shit fucking gonna take an hour. But whenever I get my style, bro, I get a retwist too. So you know what I'm saying? So I get a retwist and a style every time. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I don't never get just a style, cause it don't look right. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get the retwist with the style, so your style will look fresh. Hey bro, I don't wanna hear nobody, oh, this can damage your hair. This, man, look, man, eat it up. Hey, I'm trying to get this shit loose. I think I can always cut my ends, you know what I'm saying, if I want to, or something like that. But y'all know how I be treating these dreads. Like, I love my hair, this and the third, but I just be living at the same time. Like, you gotta live life, bro. Like, you can't take everything, like, to the head, everything, like, so. Yo, we back with the transformation video, bro. Like, my hair isn't like, yo, like, look, bro, this is the end of the transformation video. Basically, we took out the 2-strand twist, this and the third, and yeah, man, I'm rocking with it. You dig what I'm saying? So comment down below if you rocking with it, because if you're not rocking with it, y'all need to let me know something, so I can go change up some stuff. But look though, like, the reason I did this is because I want to make another 2-strand twist tutorial, as I still have one 2-strand twist in still. But excuse me, I want to make another 2-strand twist tutorial for y'all, you know what I'm saying, and possibly do my own 2-strand twist. But of course, I need to make a whole bunch of more dread videos. The simple fact, I need to make another dread journey. I need to make some curly dread videos. You dig what I'm saying? So a lot more videos are gonna come from this hairstyle and this and that third, because I can't keep doing 2-strand twists. Like, I don't like doing that. I don't like, you know what I'm saying, they get kind of boring for me, so I had to switch it up. You dig what I'm saying? So today I'm bringing y'all a little vlog, whatever. But yeah, man, comment down below how y'all like it, you know what I'm saying? Look at the hair right here. But how I'm usually going to wear this hairstyle is up in the ponytail, because of the simple fact, I don't like, and that's what I prefer about the 2-strand twist is, the 2-strand twist never really got in my face like that. And if it did, I'll just go back like this, you know what I'm saying? But the 2-strand twist never really got in my face. But I know like having my dress down or like not in a 2-strand twist, like it's gonna get in my face. You dig what I'm saying? So yeah, so we're gonna be rocking the hairstyle like this. Normally, if you see me in future videos, future vlogs that will be posted on my second channel, make sure y'all go check that out. It's going to be like my hair is going to be up. You see me on Instagram, my hair is going to be up. Speaking of Instagram, make sure you go follow my Instagram. All social media links down in the description. Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, all that type of stuff. So make sure you go follow that. My second channel is linked in the description too, man. Make sure that subscribe button, turn on post notification. Never miss an upload, bro. We daily upload, okay? I'm going to catch y'all folks later, though. Peace.